Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to edit a YouTube Kids profile. Editing a YouTube Kids profile allows parents and guardians to personalize contents, age settings, and viewing experience for their child. In order to do that, open the YouTube Kids app on your device and make sure you are signed in with your parent's Google account. After you are logged in, from the top right corner of the screen, tap on the gear button. Enter your parental passcode or solve a simple math problem to access the parental controls. From the settings menu, go under My Kids and choose the profile you want to edit. Enter your Google account's password so that you can access your children's profile. Now, inside your child's profile, go ahead and tap on the pencil button right next to the child's name at the top right. From here, you can go ahead and edit your child's profile. Update several aspects of the child's profile such as name, age, profile picture, birth month, etc. After you are done with the details, click the tick mark at the top right. You can also edit your child's profile by tapping on Edit Settings from this page. And from here, you can choose between different age groups such as younger, older, preschool, etc. or approve content only. Make the necessary changes from this page as needed, and once you are done, you can then get back to the home page. That's how you successfully edit your child's YouTube Kids profile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.